The scientific and production enterprise Ukrintech is on the Ukrainian market for more than 10 years. Today, the company has become a leader in the field of materials and products quality control. The Ukrintech's activities focus is majoring in 6 main areas: equipment for mechanical testing, metallographic equipment, equipment for determining the chemical composition of materials, devices for non-destructive testing, devices for technical diagnostics, various laboratory equipment. Equipment for mechanical testing is on the main production areas of scientific and production enterprise Ukrintech: universal servo-driven and hydraulically actuated tensile testing machines, pendulum impact testing machines, stationary harness testers, temperature testing systems, extensometers, special purpose tooling, specially application-dependent software. More than 20 projects have been implemented over the past years for the development and production of new stationary and portable equipment. We made new series of testing machines. In particular, it's a single-column test machines for testing of rubbers, plastics. We have produced the new block for servo-driven machines with various functionality. We have produced the new block for hydraulically actuated machines, in particular for those machines which we have produced by our own efforts and also for machines which were upgraded. The Ukrintech's manufacturing facilities update and improve a number of devices for non-destructive control and vibration diagnostics on a regular basis with the due consideration of requirements of the market. For the time being, the enterprise specialists are actively engaged in development of the universal vibration measuring instruments combining functions of 3 devices: the multipurpose ultrasonic thickness gauge of materials and coatings, production of vibration monitoring systems for vibrations monitoring. The engineers and developers of the company also work on the customer's individual task, being engaged in creation of special solutions for solving various technical problems. They make special development, for example, the ultrasonic thickness gauge, which they made for our order so that it could measure not as usually from 0.8 mm and more, but from 0.4 mm of thickness. It is especially for the aviation industry. This is a wonderful company, a company where highly professional specialists work. Any work is done very quick here. We deal with Ukrintech on the issue of determining the quality of the material we receive. They do it quickly, efficiently and resolve any issues. The equipment produced by scientific and production enterprise Ukrintech has been successfully commissioned at many industrial enterprises of Ukraine. Ukrintech, on the rights of an official dealer and partner, provides prompt delivery of instruments, equipment and consumables produced by the world-leading manufacturers. The leader among manufacturers that include Metal Power, Chennai Medical, Optica, Sai Apps, etc. were identified in the process of cooperation with a wide range of industrial enterprises and solving comprehensively their technical problems. Ukrintech, what they offer in the Ukrainian market is very similar to our equipment. That is why our device is a complement to that model range with the offer: metalworking, metallography, visual control, etc. The geography of supplies is very extensive. It is USA, India, Germany, China, Italy, France, and also a very large number of countries, including CIS countries and the neighboring countries. On account of a wide range of supplies, the company has taken a steady leading position in the field of effective solving of complex problems when selecting equipment according to the client's technical task. Having accumulated vast practical experience, the company's specialists provide advice on the selection of equipment, provide support to the customer during the whole service period, as well as training of the personnel when commissioning the equipment, including that on the customer side. The company carved out a niche in the marketing of Ukrainian equipment for monitoring. We purchased a number of equipment using cooperation with the company. It is a metallographic microscope, spiral testing machine, dynamic hardness gauges. The company strives to ensure that the selected product is modern, reliable and affordable when developing and choosing new products. Consultations plus communication, obtaining information from specialists of the company. They are very sympathetic, so cooperative very much. We estimate work of specialists of the Ukrintech company as high-level one. Facing non-standard problems posed by the customers, the company has established cooperation with the relevant departments of leading universities in Ukraine to solve those problems in the most professional and high-quality manner. The main goal of such cooperation is to obtain scientific support and to connect it with the specific goals of modern production. Ukrintech is our best partner. We have been working with them for 7 or 8 years. During this time, the material base of the department has been significantly improved. Joint scientific developments are being conducted. Establishing of own service center renders possible to solve quickly problems of the guarantee, post-guarantee and planned maintenance service with the subsequent checking to repair device and equipment. Ukrintech Service Center is also engaged in modernization of testing machines that include routine maintenance, repair, re-equipment, readjustment of machines with use of modern electronic devices, accessories and installation of software. They began with services. These are sort of main types. It is the chemical analysis of metals and alloys and tensile strength test of something. They will independently check chemistry items. Ukrintech will remain for us the service enterprise which will carry out service. It will be for us independent laboratory in disputes. Center of Independent Researchers works on the basis of the company. It is certified and accredited laboratory. The Ukrintech Center of Independent Research conducts complex researches of properties and structure of metals and alloys and issues its conclusions. Qualified specialists of the laboratory conducts researches using the high-precision equipment based on the relevant requirements of the international standards. The scientific and production enterprise Ukrintech actively participates in the largest international exhibitions and conferences devoted to modern technologies and equipment, where the company represents the newly designed equipment for non-destructive testing and diagnostics, equipment for mechanical testing, metallography and elementary analysis. It allows the company specialists to develop continuously in the field they are engaged in. The company holds the annual scientific and practical seminars for more than 5 years devoted to the methods of materials quality control. It is possible here to study in detail the equipment, to do some work using devices, to discuss topical issues. You always take out something interesting and useful to yourself from these seminars you develop in this field. It would be desirable to control quality of products using good high-quality devices. Participants of seminars are represented by the leading technical specialists of Ukraine. Our main purpose – to capture the interest of an audience, to see the general tendency and approach to new problems, to market, uptake which is present today, to exchange experience as well, to learn something by own efforts, and the most important, to show, to present those technologies which we have already managed to implement. The scientific and production enterprise Ukrintech is the technical team having high qualification which is aimed at the cooperation and is ready to join in and work at any stage in achieving your goals in the field of control of materials and products.